Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday joined the Somnath Amrit Parv at the historic Somnath Temple in Gujarat, marking 75 years of the temple's reconstruction by India's first president, Rajendra Prasad, in 1951. Programs were organized nationwide to mark the occasion. In Tripura, the state-level program was held at Shivbari in Agartala with Chief Minister Manik Shah attending as chief guest. Mayor and MLA Deepak Majumdar, ICA Department Secretary P.K. Chakrabarti and others were also present. The Chief Minister offered prayers at the temple, while devotees from different parts of the city attended the event. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said that India is globally recognized as a spiritual nation and Prime Minister Narendra Modi aims to highlight this heritage before the world. Referring to history, he said Sultan Mahmud attacked the temple in 1026 and it was later rebuilt after independence by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He added that Somnath Swabhiman Parv will continue across the country till January 11, 2027 and stressed greater participation of youth in such programs.
অনুষ্ঠান ভক্তিমূলক কর্মসূচি এবং বিভিন্ন সামাজিক যে উদ্যোগ আজকের এই পর্বকে সামনে রেখে সেটাও নেওয়া হয়েছে এবং আমি বলবো যারা যুব সম্প্রদায়ের যারা আছেন তাদেরকে এই পর্বের মধ্যে যত বেশি তাদের অংশগ্রহণ হবে তত বেশি কিন্তু আমাদের যে রুট আমাদের সনাতনীদের সেই সম্পর্কে ওনারা জানবেন এবং নেক্সট জেনারেশন টু জেনারেশন সেটা পার্কুলেট করবে।
Photographs of 12 Jyotirlings of Lord Shiva were also displayed at the Shivbari premises, which were later visited by the Chief Minister and other dignitaries. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.